Hello there, Faizan from dataSights. So in order to configure a table in Airtable, you can just come here in Airtable connector, and this is the expandable button. Sorry about this. We'll correct this. If you expand this, you will see all the configured tables here. If you want to add a new one, you can just click on this add new table button and add one. So to configure a table, you need to know the table name and the view name if there any view, okay, and the table name to save. So this is the table name created in the database. Okay, so let's check one example here. So in this case, this is the table name, and these are all the fields. You also need to know the fields of the table. So best way is to check with the postman. So in this case, client UK is the table name, and these are the fields. If you check this, you can find last project number till subscription status. So yeah, last project number, subscription status, client ID, and all these things. So you can edit the existing configuration, or you can add a new configuration. Just to add a new configuration, add here the table name. If there's a view, let's say for example, uh, here you can see this is the table name and this is the view name, and these are all the fields. So to configure fields, you can just click on this add new button and add as many as you want, and give your field the name, the same name which is coming from the API. For example, if you consider this, so this would be the name, okay, and the type, whether it is text, date, time, or integer. If it is text, then you can specify the length. By default is 200 characters, or if it is date time, then you need to specify the format of the date time. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.